Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Install Echo Management Wuwa app from the official store and grant required permissions. Open the app and allow location access to enable device discovery. Connect your device to the same Wi-Fi network and enable Bluetooth for local discovery. Plug the Echo hardware into power and wait for the pulsing blue LED to appear. Create an account with email and a secure password, then verify using the emailed code. Complete the guided onboarding to register your device to the account and name it for easy identification. Open the dashboard to view active echoes, schedules, and recent activity logs. Tap a device to access live controls, status, and firmware version details. Create or import policies to automate echo responses using conditional triggers and time windows. Use conditional triggers like motion detected, noise level above 70 dB, or schedule at 0700. Adjust sensitivity and volume using numeric sliders, and save each profile by name for quick recall. Test each policy in simulation mode before enabling to avoid accidental activations. Enable automatic updates to keep firmware current and secure from vulnerabilities and exploits. Schedule nightly health checks that report connectivity, battery level, and sensor calibration status. Backup your configuration to cloud storage and export a local JSON copy monthly for disaster recovery. Clean hardware with a dry microfiber cloth and avoid liquids near openings to preserve microphones and ports. Use two-factor authentication and rotate account passwords every 90 days for best security hygiene. Revoke access for unused users and audit activity logs weekly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.